Hi guys, it's Shtuky Cookie channel and today we will cook potato very tasty dish. Now take potatoes and clean them. And then we will add an onion. This onion will be nice with potatoes. Now grate potatoes on a coarse grate and grate also onion on a small grate. And now it's time to remove extra liquid from our mixture, potato onion mixture, because we do not need this extra water, extra liquid. Now it's time to add 1 egg to our mixture. This egg will help us to form our dish. And add some salt, pepper, and now add 2 big spoons of white flour. Egg and flour will help us to form hash browns. So mix everything together and it's time to fry our super tasty dish. Take a little bit of oils. Will take sunflower seed oil and make your pan just hot enough to fry something. And you can form these hash browns just with your hands. It will be very rustic style, so put it to the frying pan and fry from each side until you will see colorful and very beautiful coverage. It will take you like maybe 5 to 10 minutes from each side, and hash browns are ready. This is super fast and super easy and nice and tasty dish. You can try it at home, but also you can try make another form of this dish to make a pancakes, like a hash brown pancakes. So you just put a small layer of potato and onion, this mixture, and just fry it like pretend it's crisps or like a blini. So this is our ready dish and it's time to try it. Is it tasty? I think it's so tasty. You can combine it with bacon or other stuff that you like. And I like to make roulettes with bacon and to put my hash browns inside. It's super tasty and amazing. Guys, let me know in the comments, how do you like this recipe?